Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Gmail account that held the message. This must be the exact account you used when the email arrived. Once signed in, open the left sidebar and click Trash or Bin. It holds items for 30 days. Make sure to expand more if you don't see trash. If the message is there, select it now. You can move it back to Inbox or another label because Gmail treats trash as recoverable until that 30-day limit. Once you don't immediately see the message, use Gmail search operators to narrow results. Type the sender, keywords, or has, attachment and add in trash or in anywhere so Gmail looks in all folders. You can combine before and after dates for a narrower window. If you find the message, select it and click Move to Inbox or apply a label. That restores it. This works because Gmail search indexes most message content, so targeted queries. To finish, restore any found mail by selecting it and using Move to Inbox or applying a label. Gmail then treats it as active mail. If trash is already emptied and you're still within the short retention window, open Google Support and request a restore, provide account details and dates. Also check mail clients or backups, because IMAP or local archives often keep copies. If nothing appears, stop sending messages to the account to avoid overwrites, and try support quickly. Time matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.